All right, growing up in Michigan, we had a lot of dead car batteries when it was cold and wintry. And right now in Oklahoma, it's supposed to be 5 degrees in the morning next weekend. And I'm keeping this new 24 Mazda CX-50 in the garage, keep it out of the crap weather. And in order to keep the battery topped off, I rigged up a battery tender trickle charger to it. And what's cool about these battery tenders is that they come with all kinds of cords to hook up to your battery. This one came with some alligator clip-a-mons in that SAE 2-pin right there, which you plug into here and then clip onto your battery. But I wanted a little bit more permanent solution, so this is what I did. There's the battery right there. And the way I have this wire, this SAE 2-pin, I got it tucked behind here. The negative goes right here, which is a direct cable to the negative post on the 12-volt battery. And then the positive wire with a fuse goes right here. And thankfully on this battery terminal stud, there was enough thread left. I found a matching metric nut and lock washer and just put it on there without disconnecting anything from, stock terminal here. Worked out great. That thing's good and tight. And while I was at it, I put a half a turn. These needed a half a turn for the main clamp-a-mon right here, and also right there, you need about a half a turn. So it's good and tight now. You just close this off right here. You got access to the fuse, and yakety schmackety. You plug it in right here, unplug it when you need to. And just for shits and giggles, I have a power analyzer to show how much power is going into this battery right now. As you can see, about 54 watts, just under 4 amps. And there you have it. Keep the battery topped off and fresh. Easy as that. You can shut the hood if you want, or not use this. You don't have to use this if you don't want to. Just plug it in directly. No problem. Beats having a dead battery on a new car, right? And there you have it. I do this on all my vehicles. You can also hook up a solar panel to it too. All right, later.